Oh my God, look at this, guys. We are getting another winter storm. Oh my God. You should see the snowflakes. The snowflakes are falling. It is coming down really, really, really heavy. Yep, I don't remember. I think we're getting about 20 centimeter, they said. Yeah, this morning, early this morning, we got the freezing rain. And then now come the snow coming down. Oh my Lord. It's starting all over again. My God. We're not catching a break. Yep, it is here. It is here again. One more time. And we're in February still. One more, one more, one more. Oh my Lord. Another big storm. Yep.